Lewis Hamilton's move to Ferrari is progressing at a rapid pace, and the latest test in Barcelona brought some great news for the seven-time world champion. Ferrari's engineering team has been working tirelessly to perfect the car to ensure Hamilton is ready to perform at his best at the Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya. This revolutionary update is not only a big step for Hamilton, but also reflects Ferrari's big ambitions for the 2025 season. But what are the technical steps Ferrari has taken to address Hamilton's concerns? What improvements can we expect in Barcelona? And how is this test key to Hamilton's success with Ferrari? Let's take a closer look. After the first test session at the Fiorano circuit, Ferrari and Hamilton are now preparing for the 2025 season with intensive testing at the Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya. This test is not only about Hamilton adapting to the new car, but also about developing the technology and strategies to ensure Ferrari can compete at the top of the field. As part of the initial adaptation process, Hamilton first drove the SF23 at the Fiorano circuit, Ferrari's headquarters in Maranello, Italy. The test was a historic moment as hundreds of tifosi gathered to witness Hamilton in the iconic red Ferrari livery. For many fans, seeing Hamilton in a Ferrari was a dream come true. However, the test session was not without its challenges. Reports suggested that Hamilton was uncomfortable with the pedal configuration on the SF23 car, which caused several lockups and minor errors when entering corners. Ferrari immediately addressed the issue and made significant changes to the pedal system to better suit Hamilton's preferences. In addition, Ferrari began developing a special steering wheel tailored to Hamilton's driving style, replacing the Charles Leclerc wheel he had used during the first test. Hamilton himself revealed that the Fiorano session was a special experience for him. He described it as the start of something extraordinary, and stated that he was ready to work with the team to bring Ferrari back to the pinnacle of Formula One glory. Ferrari's test at the Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya was a continuation of their testing program following the previous session at Fiorano. The circuit was chosen because it is considered one of the best places to evaluate the performance of a Formula One car. In this test, Ferrari has several main objectives related to improving their performance and competitiveness for the upcoming season. One of the main focuses of this test is to optimize the use of tires. Ferrari is working with Pirelli to develop tires for the 2025 season that are more durable and less prone to overheating. Hamilton played a key role in providing feedback on tire performance in a variety of conditions, including changes in temperature, air pressure, and preparation lap speed. With his extensive experience, Hamilton's input is expected to help Ferrari better understand the tire's characteristics and adjust its race strategy for next season. The tests were conducted in a variety of track configurations, from long race simulations to sprint tests, to observe how the tires react to different race scenarios. Hamilton was particularly focused on how to minimize tire degradation, an expertise he has demonstrated since his days with Mercedes. Ferrari is also working to improve its race start performance. The Ferrari electronics team has refined the clutch point and acceleration strategy to ensure a more consistent and competitive start. Hamilton, known as one of the best starters on the grid, has been actively involved in testing and advising on this development. Suboptimal starts have often been Ferrari's weakness in recent seasons, so improving this aspect is crucial. By repeatedly simulating starts, the team can formulate a more effective strategy for next season. Under the direction of Loic Serra, Ferrari also made significant changes to the car's suspension system. Serra, who previously worked with Hamilton at Mercedes, brought several innovative ideas to improve the car's stability and comfort when cornering. These changes are expected to improve Ferrari's ability to handle fast corners and give Hamilton more confidence in the race. In addition, Ferrari is also experimenting with a more optimal weight distribution to ensure the car can adapt to the different types of circuits it will face in the 2025 season. Another aspect of concern in this test is aerodynamics. Ferrari has made several adjustments to the SF23's design, adopting several elements of Red Bull's design philosophy, such as changes to the nose and side pods. These modifications aim to improve airflow efficiency and increase downforce, which will be very important for the 2025 season. Using wind simulations and computational fluid dynamics (CFD) analysis, Ferrari is trying to ensure that any aerodynamic change can significantly improve the speed and stability of the car on the track. While Ferrari is currently focused on testing and optimizing the SF23 car they are using this season, they are also turning their attention to developing a new car for the 2025 season. The car is codenamed Project 677 and is expected to be a major step in the team's development in Formula One. As part of its long-term strategy, Ferrari is trying to present significant improvements in its new car compared to the previous generation. The focus has been on a number of technical aspects, including major changes to the chassis structure, refinements to the pull rod suspension system, and further development of advanced aerodynamic technology. The innovation is aimed at improving the car's on-track performance, providing an optimal balance between speed, agility, and efficiency in dealing with the various circuit characteristics on the F1 calendar. A key factor in the development of this car is the involvement of Lewis Hamilton, who joins Ferrari for the 2025 season. As one of the most experienced drivers in F1 history, Hamilton has a deep understanding of race car dynamics and the technical strategies that can improve the team's competitiveness. He has been actively involved in the development process, providing invaluable input based on his years of experience in the sport's premier competition. Ferrari team principal Frédéric Vasseur emphasized the importance of Hamilton's role in the project. In an interview, he stated, "Hamilton's experience and feedback are a valuable asset to the team, especially in our efforts to create a more competitive car for next season." With his technical insight, Hamilton is expected to help Ferrari engineers refine various aspects of the car, from aerodynamic settings to more efficient race strategies. As the start of the 2025 Formula One season approaches, Ferrari continues to intensify its preparations by testing various components and refining the strategy that will be used in the upcoming competition. The working relationship between the team and Hamilton is growing closer, with the aim of ensuring that every technical detail is well prepared before the car actually hits the track. All eyes are now on Ferrari and Hamilton, who are expected to be a combination that can change the dynamics of competition in F1. With this ambitious project, Ferrari wants to prove that they are ready to be a major force in the championship again and compete directly with other top teams. Will Project 677 be the key to Ferrari's revival in a new era? The answer will be revealed at the start of the 2025 season. Ferrari tifosi now have high hopes for the revival of their beloved team. After years of challenges in Formula One, Ferrari has made several intensive preparations, from technological improvements to a more mature team strategy. With major investments in engine and aerodynamic development, Ferrari is increasingly ready to compete for the World Championship title again. The presence of Lewis Hamilton, an experienced world champion, is a promising turning point. His decision to join Ferrari shows his belief in this team project. With his skills, dedication, and winning mentality, Hamilton is expected to take Ferrari to a higher level and become a major contender at the top. The 2025 season will be a defining moment for Ferrari. All eyes will be on how Hamilton adapts to his new team and how far Ferrari is able to deliver a competitive car. However, the competition remains fierce as Red Bull, Mercedes, and McLaren continue to innovate. As a result, Ferrari is relying not only on Hamilton, but also on solid strategy, strong teamwork, and mental toughness in the face of pressure. The incredible support of the tifosi will be an invaluable morale boost for the team as it faces every challenge. With the combination of Hamilton's long experience and extraordinary skills, the latest technological innovations that are still being developed, and the fighting spirit that never fades, Ferrari has a very good chance of regaining the highest position in the racing world. Now the attention of all Formula One fans is focused on Ferrari, waiting to see if this legendary team will be able to live up to the great expectations placed on them and reassert their dominance in the world's most prestigious racing event. What do you think? Write in the comments.